In the archives of modern medicine, there are events that defy the standard narrative. These are not merely cases of illness. They are anomalies in the architecture of life itself. We call this the architect's error. A moment where the biological blueprint fails to execute, creating a silent breach in development before a life has even begun. I am the lead investigator for the Bio Anomaly Report. Today, we open case file 001. We are looking for the why behind the impossible. Join us as we declassify the data. 3 billion lines of code. That is the complexity of the human blueprint. Every cell, every organ, every heartbeat is governed by a precise, ancient instruction set. But what happens when the architect makes a mistake? What happens when a perfect environment, a healthy mother, and a standard development cycle result in a critical system failure? Today, we open the first case file. We aren't just looking at medical history, we are looking at a system breach in human biology. To understand the anomaly, we must understand the baseline. From the moment of conception, the fetus undergoes a high-speed construction process. It is a series of biological if-then statements. If the neural tube closes, then the brain forms. If the heart chambers partition, then the circulation stabilizes. This process is incredibly resilient, but it is also vulnerable. We call these vulnerabilities developmental windows. If an external factor, or a random mutation, hits the blueprint during one of these windows, the construction halts. The system doesn't know how to recover. Why do these errors occur? We generally categorize the causes into 3 distinct layers. First, the inherited code. Sometimes, a recessive gene from both parents meets to create a mutation. This is the blueprint error. It's not an accident, it's a pre-programmed risk. Second, the environment. This is the architect's intervention. Alcohol, high-risk medications, or viral infections like Zika or rubella. These aren't just external factors, they are signals that corrupt the development instructions. Finally, the most common, the multifactorial error. A genetic predisposition combined with a subtle environmental stressor. The body could have handled one, but it could not survive both. Most of these congenital anomalies remain a mystery. We label them, we study them, but we often cannot reverse them. Treatment, in the modern age, is about management, not erasure. It is important to emphasize, these anomalies are not a failure of parental care. They are the reality of biological complexity. The human body is a masterpiece, but even the greatest structures have a margin of error. We investigate these cases not to assign blame, but to build our archive. To understand the how and why is to eventually unlock the what if. This was case file 001. If you believe, as we do, that every data point matters, join us for the next investigation. Subscribe, leave a comment, and help us complete the archive. The blueprint is vast. We are only just beginning to read it.